guys, this is a video of how I clean my Weber Go Anywhere barbecue. And check this out guys, burgers and sausages. I've got 4 burgers there and 2, 4, 6, 7 sausages. There you are. Love it. Basically all I do, quite simple, here's the little baby here. Right just there, you can see she's a bit of a mess. Dusty on the top, greasy on the bottom, but basically all I do, I place it over a sink like so. The nice thing about the Weber is that you can take the grill off and give that a good soak overnight in boiling hot water and some soap suds, and then a lot of the burnt bits from the burgers and the steaks and will easily come off, and give it a good scrub with a wire brush or a normal nylon brush like that. I keep this purely for the barbecue, and as you can see there's a lot of muck and grime in there, and this is all filthy. I've just done a little bit of there, so all I'm doing, I'm just running the hot water tap. There is a couple of drain holes in the bottom, one there and one over here, and all I do is just let the hot tap run, put a little bit of few soap suds in here just to give it a bit of a splash. And then I get my trusty nylon brush and I just give it all a good wipe down. This is all the little bits that get in there. What I normally do, let me just stop the tap for a second. What I normally do is place a bit of a sheet of tin foil, aluminium foil, in the tray there. You can hear it dripping out. During the summer season, because I take this out on my boat and it's absolutely superb for boats. In fact, it's superb for anywhere. Easy to handle, easy to carry around, very portable as you can see, and it's absolutely awesome. But anyway, so normally through the season I have this particular barbecue on my boat, as I said, and I place a little piece of a couple of sheets of aluminium foil in underneath the tray, and then take that out, and of course there's always some residue that slips down or runs down the sides. So this is what I do at the end of the season, give it a good old scrub. And so I'm going to do that now. So this is just an idea, I'm not saying this is the way to do it, but this is the way I do it, and it seems to work. Pretty easy, comes off very easy, cleans up nicely, drains out nicely, which is one of the most important things. You can see all that fat coming off here, all that steak juice. It just enables you to get into all the corners and the bits that you can't normally get to. And as you can see what this look, that's the before and that's an after. So let's do this bit now. See how easy it cleans up? Beautiful. Gets rid of all that muck and grime. Then you can start your season like brand new. And as I say, there's some drain holes in the bottom, so it easily drains out and dries off. And you start off with a nice clean barbecue for the next season. Great little barbecue, absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for a portable barbecue, then you really don't need to look any further than the Weber. If you've not seen my other Weber barbecue, I do have a Weber BBQ for home use. I used to take that out on the road with me and sometimes on the boat, but now I keep it at home. It's so great for burgers and steaks and chicken breasts and whatever you want to put on there. Grills them beautifully, and very impressed. I've had that for about 5 years now. It's been awesome. So when this particular model came out, the Go Anywhere barbecue, I actually had it to the collection, and this is perfect for the boat. Perfect for picnics. It's just awesome. As you can see, it's a really good grill. You got a lid there. This needs cleaning out, as you can see, but it's absolutely superb. So anyway, this is how I do mine. Hopefully it's been helpful to you guys. If you're not on board yet as a subscriber, then why don't you subscribe? I've got 2 or 3 barbecue videos on there, including this one and the Weber BBQ. So come and join us on board. Alright, nice to see you. Don't forget to subscribe, place a like or a comment. Hope it's been helpful to you. Rock and roll. Bye for now.